Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The kindest one of the kindest. All the mothers and fathers love their children. If they didn't love their children, they wouldn't work so hard to raise them. If the fathers work during the day, it is because they want their children to be comfortable. If the mothers wake up at night due to the cries of their babies and feed them milk, it is because they love their children. Every mother and father loves his or her children and is kind to them to the greatest possible extent. Yes, mother and father are kind, but you should know that God is even kinder than mother and father. He loves his servants very much. One day a man came to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ with his child. The man was holding his child and was kindly embossing him. It was obvious that he loved his child a lot. The Prophet ﷺ asked him, "Do you like your child very much?" The man said, "Yes, O Prophet of God." The Prophet said, "God's kindness towards you is better than your kindness towards your child. God is the kindest of the kindest."